Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can power on or power off our Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, I'm going to show you how we can power off our Samsung Galaxy phone. If we want to power off or turn off our Samsung Galaxy phone, we just need to long press on the power button right here. You just need to long press like this until this option appear on your screen. Then you just need to click on power off. Just click on it, guys, then click on it one more time. Okay, and if you want to power on, you just need to do the same thing. You can long press on this power button. I'm going to practice it, guys. I'm going to long press on it. Okay, and now as you can see that my Samsung Galaxy phone has been turned on, and you just need to wait. You just need to wait for a moment. Okay, and now it's done, and that's how we can power on or power off our Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.